Today, I want to show you the M9 Pro Tuya Zigbee smart switch. This is a compact and powerful smart home device that works with Zigbee and integrates perfectly with Tuya and Home Assistant. The M9 Pro comes with 4 independent relays, which means you can control 4 different devices from one module. Each relay can be used as a simple on and off switch, or you can change the mode to work as a dimmer, or even as a scene or sensor trigger, depending on your setup. Inside the Tuya Smart app, the device is very easy to set up. Once it's added through your Zigbee gateway, you can see all 4 channels separately. From the app, you can turn each relay on or off, rename them, automate them, or assign them to scenes. If you switch a channel to dimmer mode, you can control brightness directly from the app. You can also use the M9 Pro to trigger automations and scenes. For example, one button can turn on multiple lights, activate a scene, or start an automation, all from a single smart switch. The best part is that the M9 Pro can also be added to Home Assistant using Zigbee integration. Once connected, all 4 relays appear as separate entities, giving you full local control, fast response, and advanced automation options. Overall, the M9 Pro Tuya Zigbee is a very flexible and powerful smart home switch. With 4 relays, support for switches, dimmers, and scenes, plus full Tuya and Home Assistant compatibility, it's a great choice for any smart home setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you would use the M9 Pro in your smart home.